The throne of Allah, a mind-blowing journey into divine majesty. Have you ever pondered the magnitude of Allah's throne? What does it signify in the grand tapestry of creation? In Islamic theology, the throne, or Arsh, is considered the largest of all creations, surpassing our comprehension. Wikipedia. Before the heavens and the earth were formed, Allah's throne was upon water. This imagery signifies the primordial state of existence and the foundational role of the throne in the creation narrative. The throne represents Allah's supreme authority and dominion over all creation. It's not a physical seat, but a symbol of his unparalleled power and sovereignty. The Quran mentions angels who bear the throne, known as Amlat al-Arsh. These angels are described with immense features, emphasizing the grandeur of what they uphold. Wikipedia. While Allah is above his throne, he is also closer to us than our jugular vein. This illustrates his transcendence and immanence, being beyond yet intimately near. Islamke, it's narrated that the throne shook at the death of Sayyid ibn Muadh, reflecting the profound impact of a believer's righteousness. On the Day of Judgment, the throne will be borne by 8 angels, showcasing the magnitude of the event and the majesty of Allah's dominion. Above the highest level of paradise, Firdaus, lies the throne of the most merciful. From it, the rivers of paradise flow, signifying its central role in the hereafter. The throne is not just a physical entity, but represents the encompassing knowledge and authority of Allah over all things. Contemplating the throne leads us to recognize the vastness of Allah's creation and our place within it. It inspires humility, awe, and a deeper connection to our Creator. The throne of Allah is a testament to his unparalleled majesty and authority. By reflecting on its significance, we deepen our understanding of the divine and our purpose in this vast universe. Subscribe, share, join me. Let's build something meaningful together for ourselves